Hello everyone, welcome to Food Creativity etc. This is the third Christmas special video where I'll be sharing 4 different kinds of starter recipes for your Christmas dinner table. Now let's start cooking. The first starter recipe is crunchy paneer bites. So let's start cooking. We are going to cut the paneer in triangle shape and then we will marinate the paneer with some salt, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then let it rest for 5 minutes. Then in a pan, I have added vegetable oil. In it goes 2 tablespoons of peanuts and I will fry them until they become crunchy and then crush it into a rough powder. Next, in that leftover oil in the pan, I have added the paneer pieces. You have to fry them until they become little brownish in color. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is totally optional. You may use honey or you may not use honey. Next goes in the crushed. Now I'll be adding the crushed peanuts and just simply mix everything together. And it's almost ready to be served. Now let's serve these crunchy paneer bites. So I'll be serving it in a plate. Then I have these kind of skewers. You can use toothpick instead of these skewers. As I was having this, I am using it. So next I'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. So here it's ready, our crunchy paneer bites. It's a very yummy and easy to cook starter recipe. The second starter recipe is cheesy nachos. For this, in a flat pan or in a tawa, I have placed some nachos. Then in it goes some chopped capsicum. Next goes in chopped onion, and on top of it goes some cheese slice, or if you have mozzarella cheese you can add them. This way I have added all the cheese. Then in it goes some oregano. Next, simply place it on the gas stove in low flame and then cover it until the cheese melts. So it's ready to be served. The third starter recipe is cheese balls. For this recipe, I have used here 2 big size potatoes which I have boiled and mashed. Then goes in 2 tablespoons of Jeera Powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, salt according to the taste, chopped capsicum and chili flakes. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 bread slice which I have crumbled and added. Then you have to mix everything together and give it a shape of a ball. But while we give it the shape of a ball, inside it we will put a cube of mozzarella cheese so that it becomes very cheesy. Then we are going to fry it in some vegetable oil. So it's ready to be served. For serving, I have used soup spoon. In it I have added some imli chutney or tamarind chutney, and then goes in our cheese balls, and I'll put toothpick on it so that it becomes easy to have for our guest. The fourth and the last starter recipe is papad chaat. Here I have used 2 big papad and I'll simply cut it into half this way with a scissor. Papad or poppadoms in English. So I have simply cut it into half, and then in low flame using a towel or a cotton cloth you have to press and you have to cook the papad till it becomes crispy or completely it's cooked. Then immediately when it's hot, you have to give it a shape of a cone, and then you have to keep it in a short glass or any kind of glass which you have. This kind of short glass I am using. And again I'm showing you, you have to make a cone when the papad is hot, then only it will take the shape, and it's ready. Next, in a plate I have taken here some Bombay mix or chana. Then here is onion, peanuts, tomato, coriander and pomegranate. Then I'll be simply adding all these in a bowl. Goes in the fried peanuts, tomatoes, coriander and pomegranate, and then onions. Then in goes the Bombay mix. Then I'll squeeze half a lemon this way, and then simply mix everything together so it's ready, so that we can put it inside our papad cones. And then I'll garnish it with some coriander and some pomegranate, and this amazing yummy starter is ready to eat. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and please do follow Food Creativity etc. on Facebook and Instagram. So bye bye for today.